In the event that you're searching for Avalanche cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the cost of Avalanche Avax will go from here on out, we will investigate the previous costs of Avalanche Avax and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally inconceivable. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Avalanche Coin, frequently shortened as Avax, is a decentralized stage that works with the creation and trade of computerized resources and applications. Avalanche Coin hangs out in the realm of cryptographic forms of money with its imaginative Avalanche agreement, high throughput, and adaptable subnets. As blockchain innovation keeps on advancing, Avalanche prepares for versatile, energy-productive, and interoperable arrangements. How Avalanche functions. 1. Validator sets. Avax utilizes a powerful arrangement of validators, permitting members to propose and approve exchanges. This decentralized organization of validators guarantees a dispersed and secure framework. 2. Subnets. To improve adaptability, Avax uses subnets, which are more modest, free blockchains inside the bigger Avalanche organization. Subnets can work with various standards and agreement instruments custom-made to explicit use cases. 3. Three-step cycle. Avalanche agreement works in a three-step process. O. Propose. Members propose exchanges. O. Agree. Validators settle on the legitimacy of exchanges. O. Commit. Exchanges are focused on the blockchain. One-of-a-kind highlights of Avalanche Coin. 1. High throughput. Avalanche's inventive agreement component takes into consideration quick exchange handling, accomplishing high throughput contrasted with conventional blockchain networks. This makes it ideal for applications requiring fast affirmation times. 2. Customizable subnets. The capacity to make custom subnets empowers engineers to tailor blockchain conditions to explicit necessities. Whether it's making a subnet for decentralized finance DeFi applications or gaming stages, Avalanche offers adaptability. 3. Interoperability. Avax is planned in view of interoperability. Its organization can associate with other blockchain networks, advancing consistent resource move and correspondence between various stages. 4. Green innovation. Dissimilar to power-based digital forms of money that consume significant energy, Avalanche's agreement instrument is more energy effective, lining up with developing worries about the ecological effect of blockchain advancements. Avalanche past value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Avalanche is $37.01 and Avax is presently positioned #12 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Avalanche is 370.7996, 584 with a market cap of $13.9837,340. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Avalanche's cost has shown a decent increment of 4.14% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the Avax was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 4.4%. Avalanche has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. Avalanche Value Forecast 2024. Avalanche cost is estimate to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $44.42 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $51.18 with the typical gauge cost of $46.13. Avalanche Value Expectation 2025. Avalanche cost is figured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $66.71 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $77.59 with the typical estimate cost of $69.01. Avax value estimate for 2026. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Avalanche is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $98.50. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $117.66 with the typical worth of $101.26. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation 2027. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Avax, in 2027 the cost of Avalanche is estimated to be at around a base worth of $142.7. The Avalanche value worth can arrive at a limit of $169.90 with the typical exchanging worth of $147.13 in USD. Avalanche Value Expectation 2028. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $214.88 in 2028. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $250.78 with the typical exchanging cost of $222.24 all through 2028. Avalanche Value Expectation 2029. The cost of one Avalanche is supposed to reach at any rate level of $317.13 in 2029. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $369.92 with the typical cost of $326.02 all through 2029. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2030. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $460.64 in 2030. The Avalanche cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $546.77 with the typical cost of $473.68 all through 2030. Avalanche Value Figure 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Avax, in 2031 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $662.64. The Avax cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $802.46 with the typical exchanging cost of $681.59. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 2032. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2032 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at least degree of $995.41. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1 to $158 with the typical exchanging cost of $129. Avalanche Value Expectation 2033. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $1,454 in 2033. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $1 to $713 with the typical exchanging cost of $1,496 all through 2033. Avalanche Value Gauge 2040. The reception and genuine use instances of a digital money are similarly essential contemplations. Projects with common sense applications and boundless reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Avalanche cost conjecture for 2040, Avax is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $28.28 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of Avax coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $21,836. While the typical cost of the Avalanche for 2040 is projected to be $23,945. Avax Value Gauge for 2050. Associations and joint efforts with laid-out organizations or ventures can contribute fundamentally to standard acknowledgement. In light of our Avalanche cost expectation in 2050, the base anticipated cost is $36.89 and can reach as high as $41.667 for the year 2050. It can exchange